Black Friday broke all kinds of records yesterday. And seems pretty obvious why. Black Friday, traditionally, big in-store component, and then Cyber Monday was when you're supposed to shop online. This year, things are different. Now everything is shopping online. And Black Friday shopping for 2020 was up because of an unusual surge in products that typically wouldn't have been bought on Black Friday deals. Because you're online now. So you're thinking of things differently. And some of those products are like groceries and alcohol.
Right.
Imagine Black Friday deals on groceries because now people are ordering more of that kind of thing online anyways. So run the promo, why don't you? As opposed to where it would seem odd for a physical grocery store to have a Black Friday sale. It would seem really odd. Online, it kind of makes sense. Anyway, online shopping surges 22% to a record $9 billion. That's up 21.6% year over year, according to Adobe Analytics. The pandemic, the lockdown pushed people to avoid the malls and to do most of their shopping online, as you know. They also expect Cyber Monday 2020 to become the biggest digital sales day in history in the United States. So still, there's going to be an online advantage for Cyber Monday. I guess people are aware of that thing now. But however, both days turning into really big shopping days. The analysis here is from Adobe, and they analyze website transactions from 80 of the top 100 U.S. retailers in order to come up with their figures. This year's Cyber Monday slated to become the largest digital sales day ever, spending reaching $10.8 billion and $12.7 billion, which would represent growth of 15% to 35% from the previous year. Some of the things that driving these big numbers, new consoles, we talked about that. That's sort of a traditional thing people will be picking up. Phones, smart devices, TVs, and then the unusual stuff, groceries, clothes, and alcohol. They're getting in there as well. So that's kind of interesting. I didn't really do much purchasing at all myself. I don't know what I was doing. But
Usually Black Fridays, you don't shop?
I didn't look. I wasn't looking at anything.
Oh, I see.
Zero shopping on Black Friday for myself. Did you buy anything on a Black Friday deal?
I bought a couple hats.
Hats?
Yeah.
And what was the deal? What was the discount?
Maybe like 50% off.
Oh, 50% off is pretty good.
Yeah, but then you buy like their shipping and...
Of course, yeah. Well, we know about shipping. Come on, man. We know about shipping. Listen to this. Consumers spent $6.3 million per minute online for an average of $27.50 per person on average. Where did you come? Were you above that with your hats or below?
Around there. Yeah.
Around there?
Actually, this is the exact price for a hat.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
$27.50. Look at you. So anyways, yes, other products, other hot items included Hot Wheels, Lego sets, Apple AirPods, Apple Watches, Amazon Echo devices, and Samsung TVs. Grocery shopping was up 397% compared with October daily averages.